Meet the Britax Willow SC infant car seat. Willow SC is equipped with ClickTight technology for secure installation without the struggle. The infant seat also includes an extra belt path on the back of the seat for security when installing without the base. It's lightweight and easy to carry from car to stroller and back again. The RightSize system provides adjustment points at the shoulders, hips, and between the legs to create your baby's perfect fit from the start. No more hand washing the cover and waiting for it to dry. The Safe Wash cover is washer and dryer friendly for quick, easy cleanup. Stay Clean fabrics resist stains, moisture, and odor to stay cleaner longer. The seat cover is made with naturally flame-retardant fabrics for all the protection without all the chemicals. The removable infant inserts create customized fit for tiny newborns and are made with plush fabrics for premium comfort. The infant seat's UPF 50+ canopy comes equipped with a flip-out sun visor for more sun protection while in the car or out for a stroll. The canopy's peekaboo window has a quiet magnetic closure for those frequent peeks along the way. When used without a base, the rebound-reduced carry handle acts as a stability bar when used in the upright position. The anti-rebound bar on the Alpine base helps reduce movement in a crash. The Britax Willow SC infant car seat is built to elevate your everyday.